Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.